McKenzie. You might know me as Homegirl, and today I'm going to be doing our master bedroom. I'm not going to be spending any money, so my kids have interrupted me like 16 times since I started. I started 4 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and get started and cleaning this disaster. This is definitely one of the most neglected rooms in our house. We have 3 kids, 3 pets, and we live in a 2-story house, so I always start downstairs where if someone walks in the door, they're gonna see, and I really want to kind of stop that cycle. So I am starting with putting away all this laundry that I got out. I just drape it over my chair when I'm trying to find something to wear in the morning. So I'm putting that stuff away. And yes, that is my tag sticking out of the back of my shirt. And I filmed half of this video with my tag like that. These are all clothes I'm getting rid of. They are either mine and I don't want them anymore because I did go through my clothes recently, and some of them are my daughter's that she's outgrown. I found an earring I was looking for. So excited. I am moving my work area over to the other side of the room. I need to get a new desk and a new chair that are a little bit more small because there's not a whole lot of room for it, but it is more ideal to be on the other side away from the windows. And give me a thumbs up if you hate my curtains because I hate them too. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys would do with this situation because the windows are drafty, so in the winter we need something. But I don't like how short they are. But right underneath is our register, and it blocks all of the airflow if they're long. Okay, so I'm pretty much done putting everything away, and before I dust everything and wipe everything down, I am going to go around and patch up all the holes that are in the wall, just from different things that have hung. Okay, also one more thing. I always use the dry time indicator spackle because it starts off pink and then when it's dry it's white. So and plus it doesn't seal all the way, so it's actually already halfway dry. Okay, I'm starting with this big hole. I do not want to patch this. With a patching kit. So let's just hope this will work. I wouldn't use a patching kit anyway, so do it yourself. Cardboard. You wouldn't believe the things I've put in holes. It'll be fine as long as no one punches it or tries to stick their finger in it. I'm trying to get it super smooth because I don't want to anger it when I. There we go. When I sand it. There we go. And that's how you do it. I always keep some spackle at home. I also keep a little thing of paint. If you have a million kids like I do, they touch the walls all the time, so you can't always get those stains out, and you can just touch it up, especially if you're gonna have company over. That's usually something I do is go through every room and touch up the walls, but it makes everything look new. And there goes my shirt change because I got hot. And here is a good picture hanging tip for you. The center part of your picture should be at the average person's eye level. That ranges between 60 inches and 63. I usually base mine off of 60. If you have low furniture, like IKEA stuff, I would definitely go with the 60 inches. Your ceilings could be different heights, so you always measure from the floor up and just mark with a pencil when you get to 60 inches. And then you measure your art, and then you half that. So if my picture was 25 inches, we hang the picture 12 and a half inches taller than 60 inches, except for what I'm hanging right now. And it totally does not follow that rule at all because it's above my bed. So it's like way higher than I would ever normally hang anything. And the reason why I'm hanging those there is because after we bought this furniture, I started seeing those bohemian looking headboards, and I love them so much, and I was like, we already bought our furniture. So this was my way of implementing that hint of boho vibe. So I would normally just use the duster, but because it's been so long since I dusted my room, I know that's gross, whatever. I dusted it first with that just to like collect the loose dust, and then I went around and wiped everything down with a wet cloth and some of my Mrs. Murphy's peony. It's the best scent for the bedroom. Lavender is good too, but like I love the peony and it's hard to find. So I will link it, of course. I'll link lavender too. And you guys should buy something through one of my links because I am like never gonna meet the criteria for YouTube because I am a late comer. Give me a thumbs up if you too are a late comer to YouTube and you wish you could go back a decade before the struggle got really real and just get YouTube rich.
Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing I know. Rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.
I accidentally sprayed the TV.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no.
Fortunately, my husband changed the sheets a couple days ago, so I don't have to do that, but I am putting our duvet cover on top. I washed that, and this is a good tip for you. If you have a huge duvet, ours is a king, and it's like a two-person job, but you flip it all the way inside out, and you lay it on top of your comforter. So then right there, I'm going around and I'm tying all the edges. If you don't have ties on them, I suggest you like sew some in because it's impossible if you don't have them. So you tie all the corners and then you just flip it inside out. Like you just turn it down and pull it all the way through. And then you close it up at the opening.
I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
right, guys, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you're not already one of my homies. I'd love to have you. Leave me a comment if you would like to see something specific in a video. As always, thank you so much for watching.